Good evening, friends. But for many of us who are here today, it actually is good morning. This is a unique session where we are meeting from across different time zones. Uh, in Chicago, we have Mani Rao. In Dallas, we have Roshan Dandiwala. In Barcelona, we have Mahtab Irani. In London, we have Jaru Aunty and Dr. Karishma Kuka. And my special guests, my chief guests, along with Hufrish Bamji and Havovi Karanjia, are our heroes of the evening from the Mancheji Joshi group, Kayomars, Mafrin, and Mazda. Thank you everyone for being with us. You'll have to accept our apologies in advance because, as I said, we're coming across time zones and there are always little difficulties. Yesterday we had a light out in Delhi. Today we have a lights out in Barcelona. So these are the things we learn to live with. Uh, I really want to teach the Zatushti world to sing together. In that old song, we sang in perfect harmony. I'd like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. And my dream is that the songs we have collected over the years and we are passing on to the new generation standing on your screens in Bombay will be one day a Zoom session where we oldies won't be there. It will be just the young people singing happily across the Zatushti world and singing all types of songs, not just monajats. What is a monajat? For me, it is a very personal issue because basically, of course, a monajat is a personal communion with God. Why is it so personal for me? Because growing up in Ahmedabad as a child in our family home, as evening fell and the crows and birds chattered away and then fell silent in the chiku trees, we would be playing on the swing. As the loban was taken around, we would see the elders and we would come to the veranda to pay our respects. Our older family members would have been chatting, gossiping, laughing, discussing things. With the Loban, they would start singing the evening monajats. We picked up the words by osmosis. Nobody had to teach us the words. There were no CD players playing monajats. They were part of our life. Many decades later, during my work with Barzor, in Bharuch, I discovered the treasure who was Dastur Vima Dalal. Here you see him upstairs in his little Bharuch Ward home, where he told me, Niche to nahi baat karaye. His wife was very talkative. So he took us upstairs, showed us his precious music collection in the good old 78s. And he sang to us and explained a lot of things to us. He explained that in Baman Maino, when the little children, the little priest children were getting bored and hungry, I suppose, it was the time when the ustads and pandits would come and teach them music. He was a classical trained singer in the Bharuch Gharana, and it's very appropriate that it's Baman Maino as we speak today. The little priests learned this music, and later on, they learned khayals. If they were performing a ritual as he performed, and he explained to me the other Roj Jasan, he would sing a khayal and then teach the audience the meaning through a simple Parsi Gujarati monajat. Here he is pointing out the little goklu or the little niche where you kept a nirang to protect your house in the traditional homes of Bharuch. Please see where our origins were and where our greatest wisdom and therefore I believe our greatest riches were. So he would then sing the khayal and teach the other Atashno Monajat, which we are going to be hearing today. As time went on, I studied more about Monajats and I found a lot in the Persian Avastas at the Merji Rana Library in Navsari, along with Parsi Gujarati Monajats. These are very interesting linguistically because they are a combination of high Pahlavi words and Avastan concepts with ordinary Gujarati and Parsi Gujarati. Later on in Calcutta, I would discover somebody a lot of people in our group will talk about today, the great singer Vistas Balsara of Calcutta, who began teaching Monajats. The English Monajat developed in the 80s with Zoroastrian studies, the Khojeste Mistri group, because now the language to understand prayer was English. The Farohars of Delhi have some Monajats taught by us. Who was our teacher? It was the lady Pilu Nanavati Jangalwala, who died at 102. She learned from Mr. Saklat of Calcutta and put Monajats at the back of her little book, which I would urge you all to pick up. It's 3 rupees. We can send it free to you. It's called Fravarane. And the first edition has Monajats. Unfortunately, later on, the later editions don't have Monajats. Pilo Auntie is the person who taught children in Delhi the meaning of the first song, which is the first 2 songs which are going to be sung, the Hashem Vahu prayer and the Yathaveryo prayer, explained and sung today by our Bombay team. I will just say one thing before we start the program. If anyone wants to share their knowledge of Monajats or to share Monajats, of course, you're more than welcome to tell us on the chat, but please contact me and I will ask Mahtab to put it up, Parzor Foundation at gmail.com, or contact me on my WhatsApp. It will be available to you. Let me now welcome Hufrish Bamji, absolutely incredible teacher who in 1 week has taught the group the songs, found music, and done everything with a smile. Thank you, Hufrish. God bless you. Havovi, I have known your husband, Erwad Dastur, Dr. Ramyar Karanjia, for a long, long time, very long time. But now I have the pleasure of singing with you. My special stars of the evening are going to introduce themselves, and please look at the words, understand the meaning of these beautiful songs. Thank you. Children, introduce yourselves, please. Start.
Yazdan Panabad. I am Mazda Davar. My name is Mafrin Davar.
મારું નામ એરવર્ડ કયોમર્સ ધાબર છે.
Hashem Shayashori Balainu Nam Te Sarvati Uttam Ne Sukhno Pegam Parushu Ka Jagmate Pame Tamam Ashoi Ne Khatar Ashoje Namam Hashem Shayashori Balainu Nam Te Sarvati Uttam Ne Sukhno Pegam Parusuk ajag mate pame tamam ashoi ne khatar ashoje nakam. Ahuje mor mazda parvategan je shrishti na sahib ne apastiyar ratu tem છે સરદાર જગતનો પ્રધાન અશોહીથી પામે છે સર્વોત્તમ જ્ઞાન બહુમનની બક્ષિસ છે ચારે સમાન કરે જગમગાવો તે મસ્તાને નામ અને ઔરાની શાહી છે માને ઇન્સાન ગરીબો લાચારોનો તે પાસબાન ગરીબો લાચારોનો તે પાસબાન I'm proud to be a Zoroastrian and follow Mazda-e-Din. I'm happy to follow Zarathustra and his praises sing. Overjoyed to be Mazda's friend. I'm proud to be a Zoroastrian, no matter where or when. I shall gladly follow Zarathustra and what the Gathas say, to follow the path of worship all the livelong day. Overjoyed to be Mazda's friend. I am proud to be a Zoroastrian, no matter where or when. Overjoyed to be Mazda's friend. I am proud to be a Zoroastrian, no matter where or when.
Thank you so much. It was really lovely. Really, thank you very much. Now I need to introduce you to a very special person. Jaru Auntie from London, in her 80th decade, still remembers her school days, her marching song, and a lot of other things. Her daughter, Dr. Karishma Kuka from Cambridge, has been a great help to Parzor in the last year. We are very grateful to both of them for being here. Thank you, Jaru Auntie. And with that, please join us as we listen to somebody who has lived it all and sung these in school. Welcome.
Cool. My dear Hamdins, Marawala Bachao, all the children below 65 years of age, thank you for calling me for these Amajor prayers. These prayer songs of the school I went to. I've been to 5 different schools from the age of 2. And the last school is Munajats. One of the songs I'm going to sing is from Visaspa Balsara, who had come for our concert and taught us that song. But the first 3 songs are our school prayer songs. The school I went to was Bhakta School, or the young women's educational home, as it was called. It was a heaven on earth. It was something to be admired, to be loved, to be cherished, and I still do. After so many years, I haven't forgotten a thing. Such a beautiful valley next to the school, with a sheer drop of thousands of feet. It was something worth looking at. I just enjoyed every morning being a prefect in my school, I used to get children up by 5:45. By 6, they were all in the prayer hall singing these munajats. First, we would start with an Ashembo, a Kemnamazda, and then sing a munajat, which was our prayer song. And the first prayer song is O Khuda Tu Ek Chai, Netaru Naam Anek Chai. O Khuda Tu Ek Chai, Netaru Naam Anek Chai. Surya Chandra ne tara, Gagan Vayu Sautara. Surya Chandra ne tara, Gagan Vayu Sautara. Bol bol shu gun gaun ne tari stuti kem bajaun. Bol bol shu gun gaun ne tari stuti kem bajaun. O Khuda Tu Ek Chai, ne taru naam anek chai.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Karishma. Thank you, Jaru Aunty. That was beautiful. Now let me introduce Roshan Dandiwala, a very important singer at the Delhi Parsi Anjuman, who's run away to be with her son and then got stuck in lockdown. And Roshan is still very active. She comes to all of full to her. She has a beautiful voice. She has helped us for many years. Welcome, Roshan. Please join us.
I'm my very first munajat. Let me explain to you what munajat means. Munajat means a prayer. The name of the munajat which I'm going to sing is Atashni Munajat. In the good olden days, almost every Parsi homes would sing this munajat. It is a tribute to the holy fire, who is considered the son of Dadar Aura Mazda. We worship Dadaji through the holy fire, which will burn forever till the last day of mankind. I would like to even explain in Gujarati. અસલના વખતમાં લગભગ દરેક પારસીઓના ઘેરમાં મોનાજાત ગવાતી હતી. મોનાજાત એટલે આપણી કેટલી બંદગીઓનો સાથી અને સરળ ભાષામાં સાથ, જે ગાવાથી મનને શાંતિ અને સુખનો અનુભવ થાય છે. આવી જ એક મોનાજાત સ્વર્ગીય દોસાભાઈ દેસાઈએ બાદશાહ ઉપર લખી છે, તે હું રજૂ કરસ. Normally, this Atashni Monajat is sung in front of the Qibla. Qibla means where our holy fire is burning. आकाश तू अहुरा नूरी निशान के माना नमस्ता में आपे पहचान. अहुरा नु पुत्र तू आदर बुलंद प्रतापी रयो मन मीनोय खोरे रन. तुझकी सुखोषण ने शक्ति घड़ी ने हिम्मत ने कीर्ति धनी. आकाश कदे हो से आंध्रो लोगन गरुजी ने कापे निनोय खोरे रन. पवित्र पितानो तू पुत्र महान, तू शहंशाह हमारे ते दैये शुदान, मुजंतर मंजीरे तू हर रोज रहे, कयामत नदी तू भी चलतो रहे। प्रतापी सुपुत्रो मुखर्जे तू दान, उजाले हमारा जियो खानदान, तू पर पितामा सनंतन रबार, स्वीकार जे हमारा तू लाखों प्रणाम, स्वीकार जे हमारा तू लाखों प्रणाम, हमारा तू लाखों प्रणाम।
Thank you so much, Roshan, for that lovely song and introduction. And now we come to the one professor, Mani Rao of Chicago. She's been singing for many years. She has represented the Zatushtis across the world in many forums. And she is the person who has a website called Soulful Serenades. Thank you, Mani, for joining us. Though your husband has been so ill and in hospital, I really appreciate your taking time out to be with us in our practices and today. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Mani Rao from Chicago. And first, let me thank Parzer to give me this opportunity. I used to sing Monajat in our school in Bharuch. My real interest in Monajat arose for my personal reason and passion for music. I had produced a CD of Monajats, which was well received by Z community, which I really found out, as Dr. Kama said, when I was invited to sing in Zoroastrian Congress in Australia. My new project is to write devotional songs in English and translate the one written in Gujarati into English for younger generation. As Dr. Kama mentioned, Monajat means it is a direct communication with God, and it can be written in your own language. It used to be written in Persian, then in Gujarati, and now I'm trying to write in English to reach out and more people from all walks of life. If you need further information, you can go on soulfulserenades.com, and I think it might be in the chat section. My mission and vision is to help others in every possible manner by utilizing my work experience, my education, and my passion for music. Thank you. And here now I'm going to sing Odadgar, Odavar, O Parvardigar.
Blessings of the omnipotent Ahura Mazda bestows upon us and brings eternal peace to this world of mankind. O Dadgar, O Davar, O Parvardigar.
Dadgar, O Davar, O Parvardigar, naman ho jo tujhne hazaron हजार जाके है सौनो तू एकलो आधार तो ज्ञानी तो दानी दयालो बंदार बेचारठोस पैगंबर ने माथे दिखा जनेरा हनी की खुल्ला की विचारों मने आपजे मुझो तारी माफी नो तलबेदा हकीकत बंदान दे दे अदा मदद कर जितने जितूने भजे बुरा वक्त हमारा तो साथी भजे मदद कर जितने जितूने भजे बुरा वक्त हमारा तो साथी भजे लेकिन इंसान राहर तो थजे सदा जिकरे पकर जो सर्वे पदा हवा पानी आकाश रोशन राखजे यारात न करवा शक्ति आपजे हवा पानी आकाश रोशन राखजे यारात न करवा शक्ति आपजे तेरी माया ने मैं है हम पर सदा रास रस्ते तो रोजे परवर चीजें उठाओ दिवेली समा तले बीच गाजे परवरदिगार चीजें उठाओ दिवेली समा तले बीच गाजे परवरदिगार उठी पाक थईने वो बंदगी करो अशोटू जुनामी यादइए दरो दाकर खुदावर परवरदिगार नमन हो जो तुझने हजारों हजार जाके छे सौनो तू एकलो आधार तू ज्ञानी तू दानी दयानो दार
Thank you so much. It was really beautiful. I'll just a second. This is Charu Aunty from London now singing Bandagi Sambhal. Thank you.
बंदगी सांभल हमारी खुदाया बंदगी सांभल हमारी खुदाया तारी जो दरगाह कर जोड़ी आया बंदगी सांभल हमारी खुदाया ताराज प्रताप में सुख कीज रहिए ताराज प्रताप में सुख थीज रहिए कर जो सदा तम हम पर माया बंदगी सांभल हमारी खुदाया तारी जो दरगाह कर जोड़ी आया बंदगी सांभल हमारी खुदाया.
Thank you so much, Charu Aunty and Karishma. Now comes my favorite Munajat from Roshan.
I'm going to start singing Karucho Dadgar Vinanti Tuj Paas. But before I actually start giving you the meaning of the Munajat, I would like to share some of my memories and anecdotes of Karuchu Odadkar. This Monajat is very close to my heart. I sang this Monajat at the India International Center, New Delhi, in the year 1989. That was the International Minority Commission program. After that, I have sung this Monajat several times at public functions. Also sang for the 50th year of our New Delhi Dare Meher on December 12th, 2011. This celebration was organized by Delhi Parsi Anjuman. At the same premise, after Machi ceremony, I was always asked to sing at the Agyari. And as I would say, I'm familiar by addressing Shehnaz Kama as Sherry. So she would often ask me to sing Karuchu Odadkar when foreign delegates would come, people from Iranian society would come, and many such events were held. Now, I would like to explain Karuchu Odadkar Monajat. It is a woman's song in Gujarati. She is requesting Dadaji to grant her a simple and happy life with her husband, good relationship with her parents and siblings. She is also asking Khudaiji to bless her family. Could you just spare me a few minutes? I'm looking out for the background music.
Don't worry, Roshan. Yesterday we lost electricity here, today we lost electricity there. It goes on. Don't worry, you can even sing it without any music. You have a lovely voice. I'm glad people are putting in chats about Dharma Gyan class, etc. Please let us know. All the classes and all those who've raised your hands, please keep your questions. We will take questions after this. The whole point of this session is to gather as much as we can about Monajats from across, as I said, the whole world. So please do send us your emails. The chat box has got the address, and my phone number is available. My WhatsApp number is available on most GeoParsi ads and places. So you are welcome to WhatsApp me. So I'll be happy to listen to you all. Please, Roshan, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm sorry for the delay.
No problem. Start.
करूं उदागर विनंती तुझ पास एक जरज मारी पूरी कर तू आज निखाले जिगरती जोड़ी बेऊ हाथों मांगू छू मदद तारी ओ दादार मारी मुश्किली आसान तू करजे दुखोથી બચાવવાનું એહસાન તું કર પાપને ગુનાથી મને બચાવજે ને આબરૂને ઇજ્જતથી મને દીપાવ કરું છું ઉદાગર વિનંતી તુજ પાસ એક અરજ મારી પૂરી કર તું આજ નથી જોઈતો લાખો હજારો નો હાર મને નથી જોઈતો સુનારો પાનો સંગાર માંગુ છું ઓ માલિક સુખવાસી ઘરવાને રોજી રજક સાથે શાંતિનો પ્યાર ધન દોલત ને હું ચાહતી નથી ને કિંમતી ખજાનું ભી માંગતી નથી हेतवान को लायक भोलो भरधारने आखत ना प्यार साथ नो सुखी संसार करूं छू दातर विनंती तुझ पास एक जरज मारी पूरी कर तू आज मात पिता साथे आबा तू રાખજે ભાઈ બહેનો સાથે ખુશાલ તું રાખ સુખ જેવા સંપત્તિ સુખિયારા રાખજે સોવા સંગારે ભરી પૂરી રાખ નિખાલે જીગરથી જોડી બેઉ હાથો માંગુ છું મદદ તારી ઓ દાદાર करूं छू दादगर विनंती तुझ पास एक जरज मारी पूरी कर तू आज निखाले जिगरती जोड़ी देऊ हाथो मांगू छू मदद तारी ओ दादा.
Thank you so much, Roshan. Please keep your questions for the end. I know there are some people who have got questions. We are putting back some answers in the chat box, but we're all balancing lots of things. So please keep patient. We will take your questions. Jaru Auntie, thank you. Please join us for a lovely little Monajat again, which you have learned a long, long time ago and still remember.
Thank you, Shahnaz. Yes, I learned this in the 50s. So you can count up the years. Anybody who's familiar with the Parsi Mata school and who knows the words of any of my Monajats, kindly let me have the words if you people are still alive. Thank you so much.
That's a nice one. Please.
I'm 83. So I wonder how many are there now. But I do request that you send me the words and complete my songs for me. Thank you. The next song, the prayer that I'm going to sing, I had sung in Hindi, in the Hindi version, for the High Commission in the 1963 in London, and the same tune is applied to our Parsi Munajat. I think it was by Firoz Damri on his violin. Oh Dada, oh Dada, tame ले जो दाद हमारी ओ दादा तमें ले जो दाद हमारी दिलनी बात छुपी न थी तुझથી दिलनी बात छुपी न थी तुझથી मांगू रहम हूँ तारी तमे ले जो दाद हमारी ओ दादा तमे ले जो दाद हमारी दूर न जाओ आओ टूटा दिल ने धीर बनाओ आओ जीवन मुझनो कष्ट बारी जीवन मुझनो कष्टमा भारी, तू છે જગ આધારી, તમે લેજો દાદ અમારી. ઓ દાદા, રો દાદા, તમે લેજો દાદ અમારી. ગરીબ મારા જીવનથી હું રાખી સબૂરી તુજ ઉપર. રાજી જેમાં તેમાં રાજી હું, તું ભી રાજી મોજ ઉપર. દુખી બંધુને તમે બચાવો, ઓ દુખી બંધુને તમે બચાવો. શક્તિ તુજની ભારી, તમે લેજો દાદ અમારી. ઓ દાદા, રો દાદા, તમે લેજો દાદ અમારી.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you, Jaru Auntie, and thank you for remembering something which you had forgotten 2 days ago. That's called long-term memory. Thank you. So now we've got more verses to add to that song. Mani, we welcome you back with an English song, Holi Zarthustra. This is how a transmission of culture happens, because each generation adapts, and we are, of course, the great adapters and the great migrants who still keep the eternal flame alive.
This is actually, I have written it and composed it, and I have recorded it, and which you can find also in Soulful Serenades. So I hope you like it because this is my own creation.
Thank you, Mani. That was very nice. We come back to Jaru Auntie and something again which she remembers from school. We now move from Chicago to London. We really are traveling the world today.
Who's
Okay,
that?
then you.
The next song, the prayer that I'm going to sing, it's not quite a prayer. It was a school song meant for our concert, composed by Vistas Balsara, which we sang in 1950. I hope I remember all the words. परवरदिगार जगत गिरता डोराओ तू देश ने उन्नति ने मार्गे या मेहरबान मुश्किल आसान फैलाओ शक्ति हर एक जगह जगह जागो पारसी नौजवान जागो जागो पारसी नौजवानों फैलाओ शक्ति हिंदुस्तानो हिंदू मुस्लिम पारसी क्रिस्ती एक थईने जय बोलो सर्वोत्तनो नौजवान नौजवान.
Thank you so much. That was obviously a marching tune. And if we can find more words, that will be lovely. After this, we have Roshan singing again. And it is another song which we are asking God for help. Roshan from Dallas.
Now I'm going to sing a Munajat. The name of the Munajat is Madad Karo Mujhne. I would like to give you the meaning of this Munajat. This is a Munajat which says our religion has one God and his prophet is Zarathustra. The song asks Dadaji to help us to the path of righteousness. I'm going to sing one such song. It has been sung by late Dhannawaz Indorwala. The music has been composed by late Vistas Balsara. Both belong to Calcutta. I have certain good memories to recall. I was born, brought up, educated, married in Calcutta, now Kolkata. My beloved mama, late Dhanmai Savaksa Merji, had a beautiful voice. She used to sing while cooking and whenever she was in a mood. My papa, Savak K. Merji, was very fond of Indian classical songs. He would attend Night Sangeet Sammelan in Mumbai. My siblings are Nargis Firoz Dosabai and Cyrus S. Merji. They both sing too well. My eldest sister and myself have our mama's voice genes, whereas my father could even recognize rags. Elder brother Cyrus has got both our mama's and papa's genes. While growing up in Calcutta, I used to attend late Dhannawaz Indorwala's Munajat sessions at the Kolkata Agyari and halls. She was always accompanied by Vistas' uncle. I started liking her Munajats, and this is how I started to learn and sing. And one more thing I would like to mention is that music and singing makes me feel really happy. When I'm a little low, I start singing and I start looking up the lyrics, and it makes me really feel happy. And without wasting time, I shall sing for you Madad Karo Mujhne, O Dad Gar Khuda.
मदद करो मुझने ओ दाद कर खुदा दया करी दूर करो सर्व आपदा मदद करो मुझने ओ दादगर खुदा, एक खुदा भजी अवर टाल नार छू, महागुरु जर ठोस पुठे चाल नार छू, ए ईमान ने नित हूँ काल नार छू, हुमते हुकते हुरते करनी दुख हरनी करज गनी करशूं सदा, मदद करो मुझने ओ दादगर खुदा। जे घर में तोड़ी टकरारो पापी, दुश्मन ने घेर करी नेकी स्थापी, चीख वेच संपते पिसादो कापी, दिन के शुभ जे सत्य छे नित पालिश चित आलिश दुख टालिश नमी कायदा, मदद करो मुझने ओ दादगर खुदा, एक धर्म के जे दादारे आप्यो, सीख वेच धोखे के जग में व्याप्यो, एक सत्य धर्म छे भव भय काप्यो, तन थी मन थी धन थी अति सुख कर वली दुख है छू तुझ पर जान थी फिदा, मदद करो मुझने ओ दादगर खुदा।
Thank you so much, Roshan. That was lovely. And I hope lots of children are going to learn this for all their classes and sing it and understand the meaning. Do you notice how we have constantly the hope for Madad, Humakta Hukta Hurvarashtra from the Avastan? This is what I was talking about, the linguistic linking up which we have in all our monajats. I would now invite Mani from Chicago to sing Wake Up, another of her original songs. Thank you, Mani. Please go ahead.
Thank you. Wake up mankind in beautiful world, in praise of Him, Dadar Ormas. This whole creation is all alive, in praise of Him, Dadar Ormas. Wake up mankind in beautiful world, in praise of Him, Dadar Ormas. Flowers are blooming with twinkling colors, rivers flowing, spreading ripples. Flowers are blooming with twinkling colors, rivers flowing, spreading ripples. Standing in praise on alpine mountains, in praise of Him, Dadar Ormas. Wake up mankind in beautiful world, in praise of Him, Dadar Ormas. sing all along in praise of Him. The dawn commands, wake up mankind in beautiful world in praise of Him. The dawn commands. Whole world is lost in its own person. Take a deep breath, oh mankind. No world is lost in its own person. Take a deep breath, oh mankind. Watch nature's display in rapt silence in praise of Him. The dawn commands, wake up mankind in beautiful world in praise of Him. The dawn commands, His whole creation is all alive in praise of Him. The dawn commands, praise of Him. The dawn commands, praise of Him. The dawn commands.
Thank you so much, Mani. You have literally encapsulated all our environmental issues which we have in Zoroastrianism. Care for the whole world, care for all creation. It's really beautiful. Watch nature's display in rapt silence. Isn't that the way we all find comfort? Thank you so much. Now, of course, we come to somebody asked the question, can we sing Monajats at any time? Of course, you can. It's a prayer, it's your communion with God. We sang them in cars, we sang them in buses, we've sung them everywhere. But this one is a lullaby. We heard it when we were children, and that's when I told you we came off the swing to listen to Khudavan the Khavind. Our children are going to sing it for us. Please join in and understand the words because it's a lullaby and it's one of the most beautiful lullabies I have ever heard. Please welcome the children and Hufrish and Havovi.
Khudavind Khavind to Parvardigar Namutari Dargah ke mukha kasar Tayo roja aakhir sharu thai charar Panera chimarwa trichu pachar Dayalu Khudavind o jagnare par Daya kar manesa Khudavan dua के भूलो सुधारू हमें रोज रोज भलाई पधारो करी नित्य भोज करू हाथ हमारा ते जानू नहीं करू जे मने ते तो जाने सही बहुआज जीती प्रवीणे खुदा करूं जो दुआ आशीषों दे सदा तारी मदद थी पूरा खूबिले मनश्री गवश्री पुनश्री ने मने पासवानी मतारी सुवार भला काम करवा सवारे उधार भला काम करवा सवारे उधार भला काम करवा सवारे उधार
Thank you. That was beautiful, children. And I didn't put the words because I think all of us know the meaning. It is the whole idea of work, our efforts that we must put in. Bhala kama karva savare uthar. This is the monajat which I have dissected at linguistic conferences because it has words from Avastan, words from Persian, and of course Gujarati. So it is something which I would like lots of us to learn, and I think most of us who of my age definitely know it already. And if you don't know it, please learn to sing it. It's a lovely song and it really puts kids to bed in a good mood. That I can guarantee. Now we're going to sing something. Everybody sing along. Chahiye ma jathosti, shout it, scream, whatever you like, but let the children take the lead. Thank you so much, everybody. This is the last song. After that, if you have questions or if you want to sing, you're welcome. Chahiye hame jathosti, Hufrish, Havovi, and all our children from Bombay who are going to be ending this evening, Kayumas, Mafrin, and Mazda. Thank you. Chahiye hame jatosti.
चाहिए हमें दोस्ती बेनसी अस्मी दोस्ती
No, they can sing. Gana, Gana.
Thank you so much. Thank you, children. Thank you, Mani. Thank you, Roshan. Thank you, above all, Jaru Auntie and Karishma. Thank you, all of us who are here, everybody. And I do hope, as Jaru Auntie suddenly began singing things which she'd forgotten yesterday, this has jogged your memory and brought ideas and thoughts. And like Mani has done, you can translate this into Persian, into any language, and sing as long as it comes from the heart. So please do join us to try and make a group with Hufrish and Havovi, with the Farohar children, with the children from all parts of the world, so that you children can take this forward as Jaru auntie has done in her 80s, as I have done in my 60s, as Roshan and Mani have done, so that we all have these traditions which we follow in any case in our daily lives. We all sing about them, we enjoy them, and we treasure this oral memory which we have. Mani has something to say. Mani, unmute yourself, my dear. Mani, unmute, unmute. We can't hear you.
I just want to thank Dr. Kama first, because she put this thing together. That was her idea, and I think it's really incredible. I mean, really loved to do this, and really want to thank Mata, because you both work with us so well, you know. So I really wanted to thank you, because you thanked everyone. So I really wanted to thank you. Of course, thank everybody else, but I don't know, but especially to you and Mata.
Thank you. Anything anybody wants to ask or say? Because I'm sure there are people here who know many munajats. I heard people singing along, so that was lovely. Please do let me know. It would be lovely to hear from you all. And somebody says, okay, everybody appreciates everybody. Thank you very much. If there was just this one question which I saw about singing munajats, you can talk to God anytime. So please go ahead, sing, enjoy yourselves. That's what we are. Khao Parsi, Pio Parsi, Geo Parsi, right? So that's what, children, thank you so much. It's way past your bedtime. Thank you.
One raised hand.
You have a raised hand? Yes, please. Yes.
Someone called Nokia 1.
Nokia 1, could you please ask your question?
Yes, please, ma'am. I wanted to ask, can we watch it again on YouTube? Like, can we watch it on YouTube, Parzor channel?
Yes, I think Mata.
Yes, absolutely. The recording will be on the YouTube Parzor Foundation channel.
So Parzor Foundation channel. When can we watch? Means by when can we watch?
Straight after. Yes, straight after today, we'll upload the video.
Okay, thank you very much.
We have another hand up. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, somebody else has a question. Yes, Maruk. Maruk, unmute yourself. I can't hear you. Maruk, can't hear you. Yes. Can you unmute Maruk from Surat?
Yes. The host was not allowing me to unmute. I think my mistake, I started singing with them. So
no problem, no problem.
And I don't have a good voice. But Jaru auntie and Mani, you all was so wonderful. Jaru auntie, I wish I could come and give you a hug. You were so cute and so nice. And Mane mara Bappai ji etla bada yaad aavi gaya. And Mani, you were also wonderful. Hufrish and all the children, absolutely great. I wish we could all arrange this in Surat sometime. Ke hamara badha bachcha wo અહીંયા જોઈ શકે ને they would be so encouraged to sing like this. We wish કે આ એટલું બધું ચાલે. Thank you so much, Dr. Kama and Parzor Foundation. This is so wonderful. I wish not 200 but 2,000 all of us could see this in Surat, and they should have seen it in Surat.
Thank you. Thank you, Maro. Yeah, Adil.
Rena's one request. We could not sing with everybody because the mic was not being allowed to unmute.
I think y'all were ruining the singing.
No, listen, no. I'm suggesting if we can have a 2-minute joint song with all 100 of us, whoever 130 of us sing together.
Go ahead, whichever song. Come on.
You choose and give us the words. Rinchin was dying to sing here next to me, and she could
Rinchin very well. Okay, which one do you all want to repeat, children? Quickly. Khudawin. Okay, chalo. Everybody
should sing together, but we need the words.
Unmute everyone, and let's get the words. Okay, chalo, badda gao. Badda gao bhagi jaise. Chalo gao. Unmute everyone.
Okay.
Start. Hufrish, can you start, please?
Somebody has to start the music.
Hufrish, can you start the music, please? Thank you.
Can we take it as you say?
Hufrish Havovi. children? Bombay?
This or that. Or
Great job.
I am right. Shubh
I say, I'm going to look at
$174 people sing, all off tune, all different words. O Kam Kyani, O Jag Mashur, I am Rakhi Jalavji, Shubh Tuj Jo, Abadi Sate Jijo, Parsi Kon.
18, 19, 19.
Normally they give us 15 years.
Oh, we have submitted like that.
So you've written for the thing that you send us awards?
Thanks, so.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You have to invite A.R. Rahman also.
Okay, we'll invite A.R. Rahman as long as you don't sing, Adil.
We have some hands up.
1 minute now, wait.
Okay, we've got some hands up.
Words.
We have hands up. May I request you to please unmute?
Okay, Havovi, you're supposed to be singing Shahnameh for us. Is that clear? Next time we'll have a Shahnameh evening with some beautiful Shahnameh original paintings from the Iran House in Delhi, and you will sing for us. Any other questions, please? Thank you, children. We've really tired you out today, and I hope you don't have school tomorrow. Thank you very, very much. What are the questions, please?
Please unmute yourself and ask.
Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, can I ask?
Yes.
Hello.
Please. Yes.
Can I ask?
Yeah, Sarwar, go ahead.
My question was, Dr. Kama, can we have one program on those funny Parsi songs? Because I'm dying to listen to the old songs. I'm sure Jaru auntie would know this, you know, Ek pila nila rai, chalis dara chali rai. I want that song. I've been like crazy.
I know. Ghumre Ghanti, Ghum Ghum, and all the naughty songs about mother-in-law.
All the funny parts.
We'll try and have them, but Mahtab might collapse because she is coordinating early morning, late evening, practice sessions, and she's right in the middle. So definitely, Papeta Kanda no Jagdo, and the woman who wanted to do Hapgat.
I'm sure everybody would love
Parsi
this.
Garba. Parsi Garba.
Parsi Garba, yeah.
But Parsi naughty songs bhi che.
Yeah,
some of those. They're lovely.
I have
naughty
Parsi
songs.
Garba and Parsi naughty songs.
Yeah, Parsi naughty songs are very naughty. Some of them cannot be sung, otherwise we'll be taken off Zoom. But we will definitely try. We do have them. We do have some of them, which very kindly people have written down for me. We need to find tunes. So definitely, the words of the Monajat Cyrus Aga are available here, but we are trying to put them together. Okay, just send your request to Parzor Foundation, and I'll get them sent to you. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else who has a question?
Gulchar, you had your hand up. Gulchar.
Yeah, I had my hand up. I would just like to know whether is it not necessary to cover your head when you sing Monajat?
When you're singing Monajats in an Agyari, you cover your head. When you're singing, God doesn't mind if your head is covered or not. The children covered their head because they were singing in a traditional way. Frankly, we sing in cars and everything. God is everywhere. It's your personal choice.
Okay. Thank you.
I will crack a Parsi joke. All the people who have hair on their head are already covered.
Okay.
That is true. That is
typical bloody Parsi.
That is true.
And if someone is bald, then
Yes, will get worried now.
Sorry?
If someone is bald, then
they'll wear a topi. Then they'll wear a topi.
Okay.
Look, we all have to laugh and sing together. That's the most important point.
Okay.
So,
Jeevta raho, that's important.
Thank you, Adil. Thank you, Adil. Tara farm par badha avine jeevso. Okay? Then we'll have lots of fun. Okay, I will attempt the Parsi song event after we recover. We've got some very interesting thing next week where everybody can use their brain and calculate things. And then the week after is a special person, very dear to Parzor. I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but you all know him, you all love him, and he's coming on board for us with some very special information. Okay, so keep thinking and join us next week. Thank you, Jaru. Thank you, Karishma. Thank you, Hufrish. You've already got a job now, Havovi, of the Shahnameh. Mani, God bless you. Roshan, thank you so much. We all pulled it off together after yesterday where everything was going crazy.
I know.
Yasmin Mama has asked, how do we get future updates? Mahtab, would you like to take that question? Are you on our list, Yasmin?
Please like us on Facebook if you are on Facebook, or you could also see Parzor Foundation on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, and we always post our next events regularly. But if not, every Friday 6 p.m. at the same link, that's where you have to join on Zoom.
Today we were at 7 because the ladies from America could not disturb their homes at 5 in the morning. Yes, Roshan, you had your hand up.
I want to personally thank for giving me the opportunity of singing my Thanks a lot for having this program being very well organized.
Yes, very well organized, Shanaz and Mahtab.
Thank you, Roshan. Thank you, Mani. Mani, you've really had a tough time, I know, running between hospital and home. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you for your patience.
No, not at all.
I thought I was not going to do this, but
One more
it worked
question
out.
I want to ask.
Yes,
These
Roshan.
chat comments, will we be able to get the opportunity of reading it?
Yes, I'll email them. I'll email
Yeah,
them.
that's what I was asking.
Yes, sure.
Thank you,
Okay.
Mahtab.
There's a question,
Thank you so much.
Mahtab. Can you
Yes.
send the links ahead of time, please?
Yes, the links will always be on the GeoParsi Facebook page. You can always go on that. And if there's any confusion, this Zoom link remains the same every Friday, 6 to 7 p.m. Just go on the same Zoom link and you will be there for the Friday forum of that week.
I am very impressed. Somebody is sending me love from Moscow. I have no idea unless it is a very naughty young man who has disappeared out of our lives and who knows lots of Gujarati linguistic details. Is that Anton? Anton, I'll murder you for not being in touch. You frightened the life out of all of us. We didn't know where you were. Okay. No, not Anton. Okay, somebody else. Well, that now I'm still frightened.
Somebody from Hyderabad.
We don't know. Okay, Anton is in Germany. Okay, thank you. Please tell him that we are very worried about him. So to get in touch with us. Connected. It's wonderful. It's all thanks to all of you. Thank you. Good night. God bless.
Sharnaz, thank you for doing this.
Good morning.
You have
Good
the love-
morning.
You have the love of everybody around the world. Thank you. I'm sorry, I forgot to add one verse to Mummy's song. I'm the forgetful one. And Mahtab, our deepest gratitude to you for holding everything together with Sharnaz.
Thank you.
And
My
making
pleasure.
this Hamazori possible worldwide.
Very important. Matab's job is very important.
Most important, most important.
Thank you from me as well.
Okay, lovely Abnaz, thank you. Please do be in touch with me and we'll have a lovely chat. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sharnaz.
Thank you.
God bless. Thank you, Mahtab. Yes, Mahtab. Give her a big hand, everyone. Big hand.
Thank you, Mahtab, for all the work you've done.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. We really enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a good evening.
Mahtab really needs a very, very big hand. Unmute everybody. Come on. You are the most wonderful person.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And it was a pleasure having you all.
Bye-bye.
See you next.
Bye. See you next week. Thank you.